Imagine waking up every morning, checking your phone, and seeing money rolling into your account while you were fast asleep. Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's not. In this video, I'm breaking down 7 proven ways to make money while you are asleep. Yes, real passive income stream that work. Stick around because the 7th one literally change your life. And you don't need a ton of money to start. Let's dive in. And make sure if you're new to my channel, subscribe my channel. If you watch me on Facebook, follow my Facebook page. Defining passive income. Now before we jump into the method, let's quickly define passive income. Passive income means money that keeps counting off after the initial effort is done. It's not about doing nothing, it's about setting up systems that work for you whether you're sleeping, traveling, or watching Netflix. Number 2, dividend stocks. The first way to make money in your sleep is through dividend, paying stock. Imagine owning a piece of company like Apple or Coca-Cola and getting paid just for holding their shares. Is like renting your money to companies and they pay you interest for it. Start small with platforms like Revenue or Fidelity and reinvest those dividends to build a snowball effect. Real estate rentals. Next up is real estate. If you own property, renting it out can create steady streams of income even while you sleep. But don't worry, you don't need to buy a whole house to get started. You can invest REITs, real estate investment trusts, which are like owning piece of real estate without the hustle of being landlord. Selling digital products. It's one of the interesting method. Have you ever thought about creating a digital product, whether it's an ebook, an online course, or even templates? The beauty of digital product that curate you them once and sell them forever. Platforms like Gumroad or Teachable make it super easy to start, and the best part, no inventory or shipping hassle. Number 4, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a game changer. Promote product you love and earn a commission for every sale made through your link. This works amazingly. You will commission for every sale if you have a blog, YouTube channel, or social media presence. Amazon affiliate program is a great starting point. People trust the platform and you earn with every click. Print on demand. Love designing with print on demand. You can sell custom designed t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases without handling inventory. Websites like Printful, Printify, or Red Bull do all heavy lifting for you. You just upload your design and they handle printing, shipping, and customer service. You earn every time someone buys your product. YouTube automation. YouTube isn't just about blogging or showing your face. You can start a faceless YouTube channel like top 10 videos or educational content and monetize it with ads. With a bit of upfront work on creating and uploading videos, you can earn and revenue consistently over time, even while sleeping. Investing online business. Finally, invest in existing online business platforms like Flippa let you buy already profitable blogs or e-commerce site. Once you own it, optimize for its growth and it's generate money passively. Now how to make money. Now you know how to make money while you sleep. Which method are you going to try first? Comment below and I'd love to hear your thoughts, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon because I'll sharing more life-changing financial tips every week. Remember, your money should work for you, not the other way around.